see what news got going for today. Pretty neutral, or it was. I want to see it come down through here. We're clear to trade the rest of the day. Still have much water. Gold already tapped into my zone I drew up last night. So, what was it? Daily? Yeah, that was a daily fair value gap we tapped into. Is that a zone on the weekly too? It was. It just wasn't as big, so that's what we're reacting off of. Okay, I like that. That's what I seen. I was trying to see. Same thing here. I am reacted off a weekly zone. We should be buying for a while on YM and gold, so we're just gonna look for a good setup. Whatever one throws us the cleanest, obviously we will take. Gold. No, this not the setup. It's right at 8:30. NYSC just opened. We really want to see get a crazy push up as of right now off of this 15-minute zone. I need to let the 15-minute close first, realistically. Yeah, because if it closes, alright, no. I just don't want it to close respecting this fair value gap here. Then it might be too late when I get pushed into this trade. But if we close anywhere above it and then come down, I'd be comfortable. Alrighty. And I can't even. I don't even. Where we're at now. Um, 15. Like when it comes to gold, I know where we're going to. Um, but when it comes to YM, I still have to feel it out, son. Um, Gold has no volume right now. It's actually pretty embarrassing, gold. Not gonna lie to you. Yeah, if we want to get a good reaction out of here, I wouldn't mind. And riding the buys off of that. Because the way I called this out on stream yesterday, the way that YM's been treating the nigga, it's like that. What it's doing now, it just keeps taking off. Like been taking off. It's like and I should know this, like that it's gonna continue to happen because we have a range and we're initiating at it. We don't really pull back when we're initiating, but I'm so used to taking pull back. So let's delete this. It's on 5. It's also on 3. I mean, honestly, bro, I would be chasing it at that point. I feel like we're gonna come right back down to my entry. I can't do that one. Now we tag back in. Go. Shit, it just depends on how far down I go. This is the unit. Wait till we get a reaction. But I don't know. It's like gold's really just not moving right now. Make this see the 50%. Right? We are in. Wait, I'm pretty confused at this point. What? Hold on. What just happened? I'm actually highly confused at this point, brother. Like highly confused. Wait, 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 wait. Move this right here. Make that 3. Jeez, bro. Like, what the actual booty fuck just happened? And it's like I'm expecting us to come down here. It's like crazy. I don't know what exactly just happened on my first trade with this account, but that was wild. It still is wild. That was tough. That was tough. That was tough. I don't know what the fuck just happened. I don't even know, man. So now at this point, we broke this gap. Okay. And we're inside of this one. I just need us to break through there. Once we do that, we'll be a little bit more set. But god damn, bro, I can't believe that happened. Okay, I see what happened now. If I were to add contracts, that would have brought my stop loss down, but I took off, so it brought it up. Yeah, that makes sense. At this point, we filled this full gap. Like if we were to break it at this point, I mean, there's no reason for us to. Let's just be honest, bro. There's no reason for you to break this low unless you're trying to make lower lows in price. It's not really a gap that we could reach as of right now. That's gonna give us some type of crazy rejection. So I'm not really worried about getting crazy rejection right now. YM is taking off on us again. Like I said, we're gonna get the full hang of YM here soon. But let's see here. Looks like we're breaking through levels. We broke a fair value gap to get here. So now I believe we shouldn't have any problem breaking that fair value gap, getting up out of here. Just like I said, watch how the candles close. We can move our stops up at this point because this is just a trend trade continuation. Anything gets disrespected at this point, it's not. It could be manipulation at the end of the day, but I'm not trying to sit through manipulation at the end of the day. Once I find a better place to place my stops, I will add the two contracts back on. Sort of do hate that I closed those two as fast as I did, but I had way more risk on there than I thought. I'm not gonna lie, because I was only supposed to be risking like just under 900, like right when I clicked the button, but it had a spike. I don't know, right when I clicked it, and I was risking more than I wanted to, and then it shot. And that shit was crazy, man. That shit was crazy. Typical gold fashion with the wick on the breakout. The breakout could be of highs or breaking through a fair value gap. They love to wick it first and then continue in that direction. But sheesh, so overall target. My bad. I don't know why that be happening, chat. I'm so dead ass. Should be killing me, man. You done yet? Looks like we're on the 5 minute. If I take this trade down here, we're in much better position. But it is what it is. I do need to measure this. So if we're 10%, did y'all actually see what the fuck just happened? Did y'all actually see what the fuck just happened? I really hope that red folder news, that orange folder news does not count as high impact. Jeez. I want a clean break of these highs before I get more entries in. We'll have to see. Unless we just want to come stop me out. But this would be a really weird place to just come stop me out like that. This is crazy. I'm not gonna lie. This is crazy, yo. Like, I really hope I didn't just mess up my account doing this. Yeah, that there's a clean break. Candle flip, whatever you want to say. My bad, chat. Said I don't know why that be happening. I know that shit's annoying. That shit froze. Team! Chart's going crazy, made my screen froze. Oh, wow. That's funny. That's funny. Got all the time in the world. Oh, got all the time in the world. Come on, go. I know where you're going. I know exactly where you're going. Where are you going? You want me to tell you? Where did I get my target from? Is it on the hour? Yeah, just a retest of these lows here. That's all. That's all. That's all I'm shooting for. At least, you know. And I'm willing to let gold come back and tap into this fair value gap. That's really about it. So at this point, gold is just ranging, and we need a breakout. Typical activity from gold. We might need more liquidity. That liquidity might come in the form of this liquidity gap that's just, sitting right there, chilling, waiting to get tapped into. There's also liquidity sitting under this range. So anywhere below this level, we can get some liquidity. This level has liquidity, no liquidity, hella liquidity here. But the most liquidity is underneath my stop loss. So, uh, and me saying that now, I understand what people say when they're like, "You're my liquidity. You're my liquidity." But anyhow, where have my tunes gone? It's like I don't even hear them no more. Did we grab the liquidity we needed? Low key look like it. Still got 27 seconds left in this candle though. Don't really mean too much. And the first pullback we get on YM doesn't respect anything. There we go. I thought we got a closer above or did we? Yeah, we did get a closer above the range. Nice push up out of here. Nice goal. You know what to do. Straight to stop, man. Straight to stop. You know what to do. I mean, TP, not stops. TP, not stops. My bad, goal. Yes, gold. Come on. Let's go, baby, gold. You already know how we get down. We're definitely not risking shit placing 2 trades today. Give us a bottom wick first, please. Thank you. And we at least have to break that high, that liquidity that's sitting just above that we just created. We at least have to break that. And I feel like that break might give us the push to my TP. Don't start this shit. Like, you know how I feel about you already, bro. You already about to get sold, bro. Not even sold, just put in the garbage. You feel me? We'll see what gold wants to do here. It's giving me mixed signals right now. And what's really giving me mixed signals is damn Apple Music. So now we have a gap. I really hope we don't manipulate anymore because news itself right here was a crazy manipulation. Obviously, we got highs right here. It's going to be a fight to, break through these highs, but I don't want to say this trade set in stone because it's never set in stone. So that TP sit, but it does look pretty good to me. Probably about 15 points away from take profit. That is not a double top, so I'm not all too worried about it reversing on me as of right now. As you can see here in a second, we'll get a breakout. Still first 30 in the candle. Should get a flip here soon. That flip will flip to my TP. Yes, sir. 23 seconds left in the candle. Or do we want to just keep this range? Keep playing with a range. Not yet. Not yet. Or yeah. Yeah? Or not yet? You tell me, Gold. Not yet? Yeah, not yet. Not yet. It is what it is. Okay, there you go. So yet. Stupid. Now, this happens all the time on gold. This I am used to. Gold giving us a crazy rejection as soon as we break highs. But then we follow through, usually the next candle, and fill them. All it is basically a break and retest. As long as that hoe don't close bearish on my. But I think it did. Did it? I believe it did. We'll still let this trade breathe, though. It is what it is. Hey, we didn't shoot the TP right there. No, boy, there ain't no reason for you to do that to me. Oh, yeah, it is. Bottom wick. And really, with me knowing that information, nah, I forgot there is a consistency rule on these accounts. So, definitely, all I really don't want to see is. I mean, it's like even if it does get respected, we have this one down here, and gold is known to manipulate before it goes to its targets. Mm-hmm. This headset, bro. This shit be blowing my mind, brother. There we go. Obviously, we got this gap here. We break through here. Should be a straight shot to TP. If we can get like I said, a good breakthrough there. Oh, shit. Obviously. obviously only 10 seconds into the candle. It's likely for it to come back and retrace a little bit, but it already made a bottom wick. So, I mean, what are we retracing for unless we're respecting this gap? Let's go, let's go, let's go, go, let's go, let's go, let's go, go, let's. And that's what gold does to me. Respect some bullshit. That's what gold do to me. And it's like the same thing happens when we break highs. Like, this is the same concept I was sort of talking about earlier. We did inverse this gap. We're trying not to leave any gaps on the way down, it looks like, but we still do. So now that we inversed that and retested it, we just mark off. Hopefully I can mark off this gap here if it doesn't go any lower. This one has been respected fully. And now we just need a breakout. Now we just need a breakout. Now we just need a breakout. It's like, damn, bro. I hate that little bullshit went on earlier with with my entry, trying to get in and whatnot. Didn't quite go how I wanted. There we go. Give me one more break of that high, and it should be straight to TP. But we're playing around at the highs. But we do have closures above the wicks, so it's like only a matter of time at this point. And we've been getting like random spikes of volume in the market today. Uh, Being that we had news, red folder earlier, orange folder more recent. It's the retest of the highs that we are used to. That's what a retest of a high looks like on the 1 minute time frame. One more push. Give it to me. Come on, go. Give it to me, man. Looks like TP is set around 3,800 ish. We get a crazy spike up off of there. Hopefully, we can respect that fair value gap that I have drawn up here. But that close to my TP is just disrespectful. I'm not gonna lie. It's like, what the world? We righteously actually just disrespected that shit. I can't even fuck with that. For real. Like, if I'm being real, let me think. Crazy shit. I still trust this gap though. We had to make it for a reason. It's either we get a reversal right here, momentum candle coming back up, or we break these lows. That shit's so funky. I should have just closed. That shit's just disrespectful. Like, gold. You don't understand how disrespectful that was. Because you don't know how good I treat you, bro. Gold. Like, you just don't even understand. I just need a near break even on some shit. It's like, I know we had to breathe, but you had to breathe right by my TP. We'll see what other time frames had gaps and whatnot. My shit froze once again. Man, man, bro, just keep your stops. Where the hell you have, bro? Because we have 3 minute gap coming up, 5 minute gap we're inside of right now. Dang, now I gotta sit through this shit. That's just blatant disrespect, Gold. I fed you. I showed you to the squad. And I understand Gold Trust. Like, I understand. Oh my goodness. Literally in my head, I'm just thinking there's no way that this is a up down candle. Like in my head, like I was saying, there's just absolutely no way that this 15 closes up down, and then this 30 closes doji. You'll just have to see what gold wants to do here in the last 53 seconds of the the candles, all candles, besides the hourly ones. But what you want to do, gold? You want to close up somewhere? Or you want to close down somewhere, bro? Gold is dead trifling for this, bro. And gold know it too, bro. So that's just how you want to close. And then the beginning of the 15 want to open up like this. Man, bro. I'm really not buying it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not buying it at all. Stops go to break even. I need that to close like that within the minute. See, bro, it's just like keep getting bullshit rejections after bullshit rejections. Yeah, bro, stops go to break even, bro. I can't fuck with gold right now. I'm not fucking around with the fuck around. I'm not even gonna play with it. We can get as many rejections as we want right here, but stops are at break even. I low key did want to secure some type of profit on the day because that bullshit with the two contracts earlier made me lose about 400 and some change. So if I could at least get 400 and some change to get back at break even, that'd be nice. But and this is right where I added my extra positions in that. It's just like that shit'll blow a nigga mind, bro. But it's just like, shit, bro. 5 minutes, no, 5 minutes. We still got a gap below. I mean, or something that could get filled. Man, so we'll have to see, bro. And I hope moving my stops this much doesn't. Man, man. And it's like I already know they gonna play around. If they stop me out now, they won't go near where my original stops were. But it's like it is completely what it is at this point. Completely and utterly what it is, because I'm not trying to lose more than I need to on this trade. Simply put, that's really it. I'm just not trying to lose more than need be on this trade. There's no point. Um, these 3 minute and minute, the 3 minute and the 5 minute candles will tell the story. I don't really understand. It's like seeing a trade go from 3,500 back to $80. It doesn't do something, or it will do something to you. It used to do something to you, but it's just sickening. It's just disgusting, if you ask me. Watching a trade do that is just sick. Leave a Are you gonna keep me logged in? Shit. Really, a double bottom right here is my last shot. Some type of double bottom. If we get a rejection right here, like that's my only shot. PG9. We're still not in the clear yet. We should be here soon, but not as of right now. We are not in the clear. Quite far from the clear, actually. Still getting crazy rejections. God knows what I want to see. That's beautiful. Beautiful. So the next gap will you just use this 3-minute gap as the next sort of I don't even know what you would call it really, but this is definitely a unicorn to the downside. I just gotta keep a close eye on price action, man. That's really all today. At this point, we're coming back into profits. A lot could happen still at this point. Sure, we did come back to break even. Sure, we did break out from that zone. But still, it looks like a clean shot to TP, but it looked like a clean shot to TP the first time. You see what I'm saying? So, no, absolutely not. I'm not trusting anything still locked into the charts. Need to get my tunes going though. That's what I got a goddamn need to do. Are they going? These tunes really be having me locked the fuck in. I kid y'all not. You know, flow state on some shit. That's not what I wanted to see. And like I'm saying, if I see something like a bearish uni like playing out, I'll close. And I'm not gonna play the bearish uni because I was bullish all day, and I'm not gonna go against my own bias. But yeah. Where do we want to close? I don't think we want to close bearish. I doubt it. Come on, give me the push up out of here I want. I need to actually get above those recently created highs. Yes, like that. Just like that. Nice. Now that should have been a 3-minute closure, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 3-minute closure. Sure, we still haven't broken through the gap, but we're sure that we're not going to respect at the 50% mark. back to the 3 minute. Don't have any more gaps above, just this range that we're either going to play off of to the downside or break out of and break out of. Break. Because now that we didn't have enough volume to break at that point, so we know we want to go higher after we break. So I know we grabbed all this liquidity for a reason, not to barely break through this high. So that's just where I'm coming from. And as of right now, we're playing around at the top of the range. The top of the fair value gap that we drew up on the 3 minute. Looks like we could get a clean breakout here soon. Can see this happening. Like, it would make, I wouldn't be all too surprised, is what I'm trying to say, if this, and of course we get a setup on the 3 minute. Said I'd close if I seen things being respected, but we just broke structure here, so we have to pull back into somewhere. I thought we were done doing that pullback shit, but I guess not. So we can either stop there, or just how we did here, 3 minute structure, we could respect 3 minute structure here. So we would have to get a rejection right now or fucking never. That is actually crazy. This trade might be wrapped, like over with, if we don't get a rejection. Crazy. Might have just been on the wrong part. Clearly, now we can see I was on the wrong side of the market today. For sure. We're just gonna see how high this top wood going to extend, and we'll go ahead and get out of there, Man, I swear, bro. Good rejection off of here gets us right back in. Like, what do you mean? Hey, what do you actually mean? Nah, that 3 minute just closed like that, gang. Yeah, I'm not expecting no bullish shit no more. I almost jumped the gun and just hopped right back in for no reason. We still have profit on the account, bro. $195 is something, bro. It's something. And that candle closed very obviously disrespecting. And I didn't stay true to my word when I said if I seen a bearish reaction out of this bearish unicorn setup, I was going to respect it. But obviously I did not, and can't find anywhere where we might be wanting to reject that. Like, we don't have any reason to go anywhere. Truly. That was a sickening trade. Just sick, bro. Alright, looks like we're done for sure here today. Yeah. It happens, man. I'm just happy overall this week. I passed a futures challenge. I had to get 10 days of profit. 10 days of trading anyway, so I just got one out of the way. I won a good bit of trades this week. I want to say this was my first losing trade, or losing day, like I'm calling it a day as we are now. Sure, we still could get a breakout through there. Obviously, I understand that we could. Likely we will. I'm just being honest. Likely we will. Break straight up through all this and all the ways to my TP. That's just how it goes sometimes. But I know one thing. That I am done for the day. Is what I want to say. And it's what I will say. We'll just come back next week fully refreshed and ready to trade, man. I mean, what more can I say than that? Kevin, appreciate you on the good luck. Didn't quite play out. Broke even. Shit. Yeah. Fuck it, we ball. We live to trade another day, man. That price action was so strong to the upside, and then it was. Yeah. See y'all Monday, 8:30.